Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make for you the pasta which I believe everyone loves it, and that is carbonara. It's a very simple pasta to make, and I will show you how to make it in the right way. Okay, so we're gonna start first with our sauce. Very important, I recommend you grate it your own parmesan. Don't buy it already grated. So I have here like 130 grams of parmesan, 4 egg yolks, small pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and just a tiny bit of water. And we need to mix it very well. Okay, now the sauce is ready. I'm gonna put my spaghetti to boil for 7 minutes in salted boiling water, and on the meantime I will cook my bacon. I like to cook with my bacon 1 teaspoon of black pepper, so the black pepper will release more flavor. The bacon, you need to cook it until it's crispy. In the meantime, my pasta is ready. I'm going to transfer it in a bowl. Our bacon is ready, and I'm going to transfer it in the bowl with pasta. Now is the most important step on our pasta. We're going to add the sauce. And we need to mix it very well. Also, I save some of the water from the pasta, and I'm gonna add some to it. Okay guys, for the final touch, a bit more parmesan and a bit more black pepper. My recipe for carbonara. I hope so you guys enjoy it. If you like it, please subscribe, and see you next time.